this video we learn how to finish all the surface of the top of this 3D model. We have rough and semi-finished for hole on the top, leave 10 tile on the all around surface, and now we need to finish this up. The first thing I'm gonna do, load the semi-finished for stock, load it in. This one we save before at FTL. This one, and open it and load it in. This load already, and we accept it. Okay, and we can check the 3D model. And the first thing I would like to machine finish hold the flat first. We still keep the work piece top on the top like this at the center line. Right click and surface finish. Surface finish and 3D high speed toolpath and horizontal area, and it pop up like this. I'll check the avoidance all first, and I'll make this 0 0 for finish, and I add which surface I need to finish. All the surface finish flat, all the flat, this flat too, flat, flat. Enter the tool. I run the tool a half and mil for run 200 Nm and 3000 for Bluetooth, and holder stick out 3, good, and stock. We don't use stock now. Cut parameter, cut one pass, only 10,000 we leave. Cut only one pass, and 40,000, 40% of diameters. Step over, Chocoyo, no. Steep salon, no. Linking parameter, path clearance 100. I'll do quarter in, and line entry I do 0 for wanna be is move out, move in to create another surface, and this one are plain work top, good. Colon, I do ear on, can, no, miss, no. That enough. Generate it. try to verify. Now the stock is semi-finished, it's not blocked anymore, and verify it, run it. This not clean up over here good. Maybe use the tool too big. It should be change the tool smaller. The tool over here, I'll run the tool core in flat and holder inject to half. That's okay, and for in good. Try to regenerate it. And verify again. Try to run it. Clean up all, and we need to compare over here to see how it finished. It is too big. I'll check from 10 up and little 0.5 up, and this is 0.1 up, and this is 0, and this is 0.5 to 0. This is -10, and compare it, and we see the blue and dark blue is 5,000 velocity over, and yellow and green, that's in the 5,000 -20. I'll make more this about -0.5 to the 0, and this -1 to 0.5, and compare it again. And yellow is here from -0.5 to 0. I'll call good. Now that's the for the flat area, horizontal area operation.